This tornado just happened in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. I think that's where it is. It's Fort Lauderdale, but I'm pretty sure it's in Florida. Fort Lauderdale, Florida. I think there's a couple of Fort Lauderdales in different states, but this one I believe is in Florida. Wow. Did all electric, like when it blinked, did the electric in the front there go out and then come right back on? Or was I imagining? Let me see that again. Yeah, all the electric goes out for a second and then all of it starts coming back on. It's crazy. Wow.